My name is Darren Alexander and I am studying welding technology. So the reason why I decided to retrain was because I got tired of endless odd jobs that weren't going anywhere. I have 2 young children that I'm striving to do the best I can for, so I decided to come and get a career that is something I can stand on and move forward with. Well, I highly appreciate the instructors being very hands-on, and they always wanting you to push forward. They expect the best of you, so they want you to do good. You know, they're going to make you do it over and over, but you're going to be good when you finish the program. My favorite skill in the welding program is definitely TIG welding, because it's clean, there's no sparks. From what I hear is where majority of the big money is, so you have to push yourself to do better because your instructors here are going to push you to do better. What surprised me the most about the size of the job market is that it's really everywhere. It's from structural to putting buildings together to pipe welding to fabricating personal stuff. It's really endless of opportunities. The most rewarding thing has been just moving forward, the progression. It'll teach you patience because every day is not easy. Knowing that I'm going to push forward with my life, being able to provide how I would like to. I can't wait to be able to do everything that I've said I wanted to, for my boys and myself.